Firefighters pledged to make every home in Merseyside safer. The bold statement was made as the Fire and Rescue Service stepped up its Home Fire Safety Check campaign. They visited hundreds of homes to fit free smoke alarms and offer valuable safety advice.
It's crucial. I mean, when you look at the number of people we have today to kick off this process, that is about the number of people whose lives have been saved already by this initiative we started 10 years ago. We used to have, sadly, between 20 and 30 people die every year in fire. We're down to between 6 and 10 or so over the past 10 years. That's a huge achievement, still 6 too many. So today is about trying to get into those homes we haven't yet reached with this initiative, so it's crucial.
We're now on our 10th year of completing all fire safety checks in Merseyside, and we had a target to try and reach everybody within the area. We're now on the 10th year and we realise we've got to look at it from a different angle of how we can get into these homes. So we're now changing our perspective. We're going for a risk assessment rather than a home fire safety check. We're not going to cease doing all fire safety checks, they're still going to be our core business. We've got to somehow identify how we can get into the people's homes that we've not been able to get into before. Through our intelligence of data sharing, working with partners and everything else what goes along with CFS now, we're able to know that we've got around about 250,000 homes we've never made a visit to, or we've never made a record that we've made a visit to. These campaigns and the future work for the next 12 months will target all those properties we've never had a visit to. Want to go out and knock on all the addresses? Are we alright to get off then? Alright, cheers boys, thanks.
There's two people in the 2-bedroom.
You get yourself a brush, Paul, or if you can reach with your fingers. Big button in the centre, give it a press. So you know that's working.
So we've been here 3 years and we've never had a fire alarm in or anything like that. So I'll be able to sleep a bit better at night now.
Well, can I ask you to offer some advice to your mum and dad, especially with having a young baby in the house? Make sure that they use solid ashtrays, possibly a little bit of water in the bottom if they would.